Do you know what the most precious treasure in life is? It's not gold. It's not diamonds, but something that slips away from your hands every single second time. Let me share with you a story that will change the way you cherish every moment. In a quaint village nestled among rolling green hills, there lived a young boy named Alex. Curious and full of energy, Alex spent his days exploring the world around him, climbing trees and chasing butterflies through meadows. One bright morning, his wise grandfather called him over to sit beneath the old oak tree in their garden. Excited and wondering what his grandfather had to share, Alex eagerly ran to join him. Alex, his grandfather began, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. I want to tell you a tale about the true value of time. Alex settled in, ready to listen to his grandfather's words. Long ago, in a prosperous kingdom ruled by a just and beloved king, a grand contest was announced. The king sought to find the worthiest person in all the land to serve as his advisor. The challenge was simple yet profound. Bring the king the most valuable thing in the world. News of the contest spread far and wide, attracting people from every corner of the kingdom, each hoping to win the coveted position. Among the hopeful contestants was a humble farmer named Thomas. Despite his lack of wealth or fancy possessions, Thomas believed he had something truly valuable to offer. As the day of the contest arrived, the palace courtyard buzzed with excitement. Contestants lined up, presenting their treasures to the king, who sat regally on his throne, carefully considering each offering. One by one, people came forward with their prized possessions. There were sparkling jewels that caught the light, ancient artifacts with mysterious histories, and even exotic animals from far-off lands. Yet, none seemed to truly impress the king, who watched each presentation with a discerning eye. Finally, it was Thomas's turn. He approached the throne carrying a simple wooden box, causing murmurs of disbelief to ripple through the crowd. How could this farmer hope to win with such an ordinary container? What do you bring before me, farmer? The king asked, his curiosity piqued by Thomas's confident demeanor. Thomas carefully opened the box, revealing nothing but a handful of sand. The crowd gasped. Some even laughed, but Thomas remained calm. Your Majesty, he began, I bring you the most valuable thing in the world. Time. The king leaned forward, intrigued. Explain yourself, Thomas. How can a handful of sand represent time with wisdom beyond his years? Thomas replied. This sand, Your Majesty, symbolizes the moments of our lives. Like these grains, time slips through our fingers, impossible to grasp or hold on to. Once it's gone, we can never get it back. It's the most precious resource we have, more valuable than any gold or jewel. The king sat back, struck by the profound truth in Thomas's words. He realized that the humble farmer had indeed brought him the most valuable thing in the world. With a smile, the king declared Thomas the winner and appointed him as his new advisor. From that day forward, Thomas served the king with great wisdom and humility, always reminding him and the entire kingdom of the priceless nature of time. His insight helped the kingdom flourish even more as people learned to value every moment and use their time wisely. As his grandfather finished the story, Alex sat in awe, his young mind grappling with this new understanding. You see, Alex His grandfather said gently, "Time is truly our most precious gift. It's up to us to use it wisely and cherish every moment we're given." Alex nodded, a new light of understanding in his eyes. From that day on, he looked at the world differently, appreciating the value of each passing second. As he grew older, Alex became known for his wisdom and his deep appreciation for the gift of time, always reminding others of the lesson his grandfather had taught him under the old oak tree. Remember, dear listener, that each moment is a treasure beyond measure. How will you spend the priceless gift of time you've been given today? Make every second count, for in the end, it's not the years in your life that matter, but the life in your years. Cherish your time, for it truly is the most valuable thing you'll ever possess.